design your mobile app with your brand and users in mind. By leveraging TapCart blocks, you can seamlessly design a holistic brand experience for your users to boost engagement, increase orders, and connect with your customers through your own channel. So let's take a look at the variety of blocks available to design your app. We'll go over 5 categories of blocks: our search bar, countdown timer, collections, product, and finally, our custom image and video blocks. First, let's talk about the search bar. Adding this block to your app's home screen allows shoppers to quickly access any product in your store. This is commonly placed at the top of your app to give the user easy access to search for what they need. Next, we have our countdown timer block. Use this to create a sense of urgency for users. This animated countdown clock can encourage users to act quickly to make their purchases. Thus, it can lead to an increase in conversions. Plus, who doesn't love a countdown? I mean, New Year's? Best 10 seconds of the whole year.
Cut. That's the best 10 seconds of the year, man? Like the whole year. That's actually kind of sad.
I stand firm.
All right, keep it running.
Popular use cases for the countdown timer block can include a flash sale promotion, new collection drops, limited edition app exclusives, and more. Then we have our 2 types of collection blocks available: a thin collection carousel and a collection slider. These are both useful to highlight your featured collections that you want to drive traffic to within the app. Utilizing the thin collection carousel block, you can feature up to 8 collections. To do this, simply drag this block in and choose the collections that you'd like to highlight. Just note, there is a default overlay with the collection name that you can either show or hide. Then we have the collection slider block.
I'm sorry, the whole year? Just keep it running.
As I was saying, here is the collection slider block. This also gives you the ability to feature up to 8 collections with images, and this block will automatically rotate through all the collections you are highlighting within it, creating a dynamic experience on your user's home screen. Similar to the thin collection carousel, simply drag this in and add any collections that you'd like to this block. Then choose how to show or hide the default overlay text. It's important to note here, you can update the featured collection images for both of these blocks. To do this, you will need to jump back into your Shopify dashboard. If you want to update these images to create a branded experience but don't know how, don't worry. We have a how-to article linked within our video notes below to walk you through it. Moving to our product blocks, we have 4 variations here: a product carousel, swipeable cards, a product grid, and a recently viewed block. You can leverage these blocks to give users a preview into a collection before opening it. With the product carousel, your customers can easily swipe through products in a highlighted collection. You can display up to 12 products in this block that your customers can preview before selecting View All. Simply drag this block in, choose the collection you'd like to feature, and choose how many products you'd like to show. You can also adjust the images to fill or fit the entire frame for visual alignment. Next, we have the swipeable cards block. Use this block to feature a highlighted collection that can be swiped in a fun and engaging way. You can feature up to 20 products in this block. Similar to the product carousel, simply drag in the block and choose the collection and amount of products you'd like to show along with the image framing. With the product grid block, you can display up to 8 products for a specified collection in a 2-column grid layout. And finally, you have your recently viewed block. Incorporating this block in your app design will create a user-specific experience. This block allows users to see the last 12 products they have viewed. It's important to note here, this block will refresh at the beginning of the user's next app session, meaning this block will update when they exit and open the app again. Simply drag this block in and do no more. We have everything covered in the back end to customize this experience for each and every user. Moving on to our custom banner blocks. We have 2 types available: a custom image block and a custom video block. With the custom image block, you can upload a custom banner image. To do this, simply drag this block in and add your image. You can keep this block as a static image for brand announcements or current promotions, link this block to highlight a product or a collection, or lead customers to a web page and enter the URL of your choice. When using the URL link, just note the web page will open inside the app for a seamless user experience. And when the user closes out of the web page, it will automatically navigate them to their previous app destination. Once you've set up all the customizations for your banner image, hit save, and you're all set. With the custom video block, you can create a more dynamic experience in-app by highlighting a lookbook, product video, adding a custom GIF, and more. Similar to the image block, use this block to lead your customers anywhere you'd like. It's important to note here, we recommend square videos under 10 megabytes for optimized load times when using LTE device data. And that's everything on blocks. You now understand the variety of blocks available to help you design your app with Tapcart. What are you wearing?
I'm just trying to bring you the best 10 seconds of the year, man.